In recent years, foldable phones have transformed the smartphone market, offering a unique combination of cutting-edge design and innovative functionality. Whether you're looking for a phone with a compact design that expands to a larger screen or a device that combines versatility with portability, foldable phones have something for everyone. In this video, we'll review the best foldable phones in this year, covering top picks like the Motorola Razr 40 Ultra, Huawei Mate X3, Oppo Find N2 Flip, Xiaomi Mix Fold 2, and Honor Magic V2. Let's dive in. Kicking off our list at number 1, Motorola Razr 40 Ultra. The Motorola Razr 40 Ultra brings a modern twist to the iconic Razr design, combining nostalgia with cutting-edge technology. With its sleek clamshell design, it features a 6.9-inch AMOLED display that folds seamlessly into a compact 3.6-inch outer screen. The Razr 40 Ultra stands out for its stylish design and exceptional display quality, offering a unique foldable experience that blends old-school charm with modern tech. Key features: the Motorola Razr 40 Ultra boasts a 6.9-inch OLED main display with a 144Hz refresh rate, ensuring smooth visuals. The exterior features a 3.6-inch AMOLED display, making it easy to interact with notifications and apps without opening the phone. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor and offering 8 GB of RAM, the device delivers powerful performance. It also comes with a 50MP main camera and a 12MP ultra-wide lens, both optimized for mobile photography. The 3,800 mAh battery ensures all-day performance. Benefits and usage: the compact clamshell design of the Razr 40 Ultra makes it pocket-friendly, while the large inner display offers a full-screen experience for entertainment, gaming, and multitasking. The responsive outer screen lets users quickly check notifications, messages, and even take selfies without unfolding the device. With its powerful camera setup, it's great for everyday photography, and the 144Hz refresh rate provides an excellent experience for streaming and gaming. Usability: the Motorola Razr 40 Ultra is easy to use, thanks to its intuitive interface. The outer screen offers quick access to functions like calling and texting, while the inner screen provides an immersive experience for apps and media. The foldable design enhances portability without compromising functionality. Its compact form factor is ideal for users who want a phone that fits comfortably in their pocket but don't want to sacrifice performance or display quality. Durability: the Razr 40 Ultra features a reinforced hinge and a Corning Gorilla Glass 5 display, ensuring durability and protection against daily wear and tear. The device is rated with IP52 water resistance, offering protection against splashes. While the hinge mechanism is designed to withstand hundreds of thousands of folds, it's essential to be mindful of potential scratches on the foldable screen. Still, overall, the phone is built to last for regular use. In the second spot, we have Huawei Mate X3. The Huawei Mate X3 is a flagship foldable phone that blends cutting-edge technology with a sleek, slim profile. With a large 8-inch foldable OLED display, the Mate X3 is designed for users who want a big screen experience in a compact form. Its unique outward folding design makes it stand out in the foldable category, offering an innovative solution for those seeking a versatile and premium device. Key features: the Huawei Mate X3 features a stunning 8-inch OLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate that offers vibrant colors and smooth animations. The phone is powered by the Kirin 9000 5G chipset and comes with 8 GB of RAM, offering excellent performance. For photography, it includes a 50MP primary sensor, a 16MP ultra-wide camera, and a 12MP telephoto lens, delivering impressive results in various lighting conditions. The 4,800 mAh battery ensures decent battery life, and the device supports 66W fast charging. Benefits and usage: the Mate X3 offers a larger display when unfolded, making it perfect for media consumption, gaming, and productivity tasks. The outward folding design allows you to use the device as a full-size tablet, and when folded, it becomes more compact and easy to handle. The large camera setup offers versatility for photography, and the fast 66W charging ensures quick top-ups when needed. The overall design is aimed at power users who need a blend of performance, style, and versatility. Usability: The Huawei Mate X3 is designed with user convenience in mind, featuring a responsive interface and seamless app transition between the inner and outer screens. The device's intuitive design makes it easy to navigate apps, and the foldable screen works well for multitasking. While it might take some time to adjust to the outward folding format, the larger display makes this device an excellent choice for those who want a tablet-like experience in a foldable phone. Durability. Huawei has designed the Mate X3 with durability in mind, featuring a reinforced hinge system and a flexible OLED screen. The outer screen is covered with an additional layer of protective glass, making it less prone to scratches. The phone is built to withstand everyday use, though it's important to be cautious with the hinge area. The Mate X3's build quality is top-notch, and its IPX8 water resistance ensures it can handle splashes and short submersions. Coming in at number 3 is the Oppo Find N2 Flip. The Oppo Find N2 Flip is a compact foldable device that is perfect for users who want the versatility of a flip phone with the features of a high-end smartphone. With its compact design and large 6.8-inch AMOLED foldable screen, the Find N2 Flip offers a pocketable solution for those who want a premium foldable experience without the bulk. Key features. The Oppo Find N2 Flip features a 6.8-inch AMOLED display that provides stunning visuals with vivid colors and deep blacks. The device is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 9000 Plus processor and includes 12 GB of RAM, providing a smooth and responsive experience. The camera setup includes a 50MP primary sensor and an 8MP ultra-wide lens, allowing for great versatility in photography. The 4,300 mAh battery is optimized to provide long-lasting performance, and the 44W SuperVOOC charging allows for quick recharges. Benefits and usage. The Find N2 Flip is designed to be compact yet functional, offering a full-screen experience for gaming, streaming, and multitasking. Its foldable design makes it highly portable, and the large display offers a seamless experience for apps, media, and productivity tasks. The camera setup provides high-quality photos for everyday use, and the SuperVOOC charging ensures that you spend less time waiting for your phone to charge. The Find N2 Flip is ideal for users who want a premium foldable phone without the need for a massive screen. Usability. The Oppo Find N2 Flip is easy to use, with a user-friendly interface and fast navigation. The foldable design allows for both one-handed operation and two-handed use, depending on the task. The flip mechanism provides additional convenience, allowing you to quickly open the phone when you need it. With 12 GB of RAM, multitasking is effortless, and the device supports split-screen mode for enhanced productivity. Durability. The Find N2 Flip features an aluminum frame and a robust hinge system that's designed to withstand frequent folding. The AMOLED display is protected with Corning Gorilla Glass, ensuring durability against scratches and impacts. The device has been tested for long-lasting foldability, making it one of the most durable flip phones available. However, users should still exercise caution with the foldable screen, as it's more prone to wear over time compared to traditional phones. Taking our fourth spot is Xiaomi Mix Fold 2. The Xiaomi Mix Fold 2 is a cutting-edge foldable phone that combines powerful performance with a stunning display. Featuring a 6.56-inch AMOLED outer display and an 8.02-inch foldable OLED inner screen, the Mix Fold 2 is aimed at users who want the best of both worlds: a compact phone for portability and a tablet-like experience for media and multitasking. Key features. The Mix Fold 2 is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor, coupled with 12 GB of RAM for seamless performance. The 8.02-inch AMOLED inner display offers a 120Hz refresh rate for smooth scrolling, and the 6.56-inch outer screen provides a high-quality display for quick tasks. The phone includes a 108MP main camera, a 13MP ultra-wide lens, and an 8MP telephoto sensor for exceptional photography. The 4,500 mAh battery ensures all-day use, while 67W fast charging ensures quick power-ups. Benefits and usage. The Xiaomi Mix Fold 2 offers a fantastic combination of a foldable phone and tablet. Whether you need a compact device for everyday tasks or a larger display for media consumption and gaming, the Mix Fold 2 can handle it all. The 108MP main camera captures stunning photos, and the phone's ability to fold and unfold quickly enhances its versatility. The fast charging feature ensures you're always ready to go, making the Mix Fold 2 a great choice for power users. Usability. Xiaomi's MIUI interface provides a clean, intuitive experience, making it easy to navigate between the outer and inner displays. The foldable design allows for multitasking, split-screen apps, and smooth transitions between apps. The large display is perfect for those who want a phone that doubles as a tablet, and the smaller outer display lets you perform quick tasks without fully opening the device. Overall, the Mix Fold 2 is user-friendly and efficient. Durability. Xiaomi has built the Mix Fold 2 to last, with a robust hinge and an OLED display protected by Gorilla Glass. The device's hinge mechanism is designed for long-term use, ensuring that it remains functional even with frequent folding. However, as with all foldable devices, there's potential for wear on the folding screen, so users should be mindful of how they handle it. Still, the Mix Fold 2 is one of the most durable foldables available. And finally, at number 5, we have Honor Magic V2. The Honor Magic V2 is a flagship foldable device that boasts a stunning 7.9-inch OLED inner display and a 6.45-inch outer screen. Designed for power users, the Magic V2 offers a large screen in a compact form factor, blending the best of a smartphone and a tablet into one device. Key features. The Magic V2 is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset, offering 12 GB of RAM and exceptional performance for multitasking and gaming. The 7.9-inch OLED inner display supports a 90 Hz refresh rate, providing smooth visuals for media consumption and productivity. The camera setup includes a 50MP primary lens, a 50MP ultra-wide, and an 8MP telephoto lens, giving users exceptional flexibility for photography. The 5000 mAh battery supports 66W fast charging, ensuring that you'll never be left without power. Benefits and usage. The Honor Magic V2 is perfect for users who need a high-performance foldable device with a large display. Whether you're working on multiple apps or watching movies on the go, the large foldable screen enhances productivity and entertainment. The camera setup is versatile for all types of photography, and the fast charging ensures you stay connected without interruptions. The Honor Magic V2 is ideal for professionals who want a powerful device with excellent portability. Usability. The Magic V2's interface is smooth and easy to navigate, with split-screen and multitasking features that make it a great choice for productivity. The foldable design allows for a seamless transition between phone and tablet mode, making it easy to switch between tasks. The device is light enough to carry around daily, while still offering the screen size of a larger tablet when unfolded. Durability. Honor's Magic V2 is built to last with a sturdy hinge system and high-quality materials that ensure durability. The display is protected with durable glass, and the device can withstand frequent folding. The phone is designed for long-term use, but as with all foldable devices, it's essential to handle the screen with care to avoid any damage over time. The Magic V2 is a robust and reliable foldable phone. And there you have it, the top 5 foldable phones of this year. Whether you're looking for a compact flip design, a large tablet-like experience, or a balance between the two, these foldable phones offer innovative solutions to meet your needs. Which one caught your eye? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more expert reviews. Thanks for watching.